Hey guys, John here from John's DIY Playground. Today I'm going to replace the door latches, or the catches that hold the door open on my Jayco pop-up camper. You can see down here, this is where the old latch was, and it's really old. The new one is a lot different looking. It's got a lot of this crappy caulking around it too that I have to clean up. And on the other side, which is the real problem, is this part cracked off. You can see where the T would normally go, and so we're going to replace it with that. So just need a Phillips screwdriver, and I'll get started and show you what we're left with when I get these things off. So I got the screws out, and as I suspected, the thing didn't fall off because the caulking is holding it on. So I'm going to use one of these multi-tools as a wedge to kind of get in there and pry this thing off. And then once we do that, sorry about that, no tripod today, I'm going to scrape it a little bit more, and then I'm going to use some of this Goo Gone and some paper towel to clean this all up. Alright, so we got her cleaned up pretty good here. It was kind of weird. The old stuff seemed to be attached with a combination of caulk and plumber's putty, which was really strange. But whatever, we're good to go now with the new stuff. So on the door side, we are going to put on this one like so. And there's a right and wrong way to do the other one. There's no instructions that come with this stuff at all, but this one doesn't matter which orientation, but there's another piece that feeds through it. You want this T-piece to be against the camper and this other top piece to be free, because that's what's going to latch onto the other piece. So before I screw these new ones on, what I'm going to do is on the back side of each one, or just at each screw hole, I'm going to put a tiny little dab of white silicone caulk, and then I'll put the new screws in and show you what that looks like. So here we go with the big beautiful caulk. It's nice GE silicone, 30-minute rain ready, 30-minute paint ready, weatherproof, good stuff, okay for outdoors. See if I can do this one-handed. Maybe. Not sure about this. Maybe I'll have to do two hands. Be right back. So here I've applied the caulk, as you can see. You might be saying, oh, you used too much caulk. Well, maybe so, maybe not, but I'd rather have too much caulk and not need it than have too little, as they all say. And here's the other door hinge. The catch area here. So let me put this thing on. Using the old original screws. It didn't come with new screws, so we'll use what we got. Alright guys, finished product. There was a little bit of extra caulk on this one that I just kind of rubbed away with my finger and put it on paper towel. No problem, looks good. And then the other one looks good as well, so let's test it out. Let's see. Oh my gosh, the door wants to automatically close. What will I possibly do? Oh, I'll use this latch. Oh my gosh. Here I go. Oh. That is fantastic. It's holding the door open, just as it's supposed to. So, success. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Please click subscribe as well. This is John from John's DIY Playground. Have a great day.